Do we have like sharing multiple windows or
No, single screen.
only single?
You will get a you will get an option,
Yeah,
screen option. Select screen options and share.
yeah. So now it's visible to you.
Yes, I can see only Genus. Can you minimize this
Mm,
application?
yeah. So my desktop is visible to you.
No, no.
Oh, okay. So
Stop
let
share.
me.
Click on stop share and share again. Your screen only.
Yeah. So I have to share the screen.
Screen. Select the screen
Okay.
option.
Okay. Okay. So my desktop is visible to you.
Yes, now.
Okay.
Not,
So this is the
can you?
downloads folder. Okay.
Okay.
And this is the VMware, I think, which we installed before this class, if you remember. So,
Let me do from scratch. Okay.
yeah,
Okay, sure.
yeah, yeah,
Could you please
yeah,
allow my remote control request?
yeah. So
Okay,
we
thank you.
have
Now, thank you.
down.
Please wait.
Yeah.
I'm doing this.
Oh,
Can you hear me, everyone? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Can.
Yes, yes.
Jitu, that is the latest version which we installed according to your like guidance. That's the latest version which we installed. Like according to
It
that's,
is what? Can you please open? It is a 2.2.9.
yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you. Let me show you the with the, I mean I both of us installed from this folder which you shared.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
Minimize
So
this folder. Minimize this folder.
yeah,
Now, wait.
and the VM also both of us installed. Yeah,
Okay, perfect. So first we need to start VMware Workstation. If you install guys both VMware Workstation and JNS3, so you can start VMware Workstation and what? This is your JNS3.
it's already like switched
Right
on.
click and right click on JNS3 and turn off. Shut down. Power, power, shut down. Now wait. First LAN card is VMNet1, then VMNet. Wait. Okay. Can you click on search
Yeah. So yeah.
and type here ncp.cpl or open will
NC.
not in
Okay.
VMware.
Okay. Yeah. NCP dot.
ncpa.cpl ncpa ncpa.cpl enter. Where is your LAN card?
Uh,
VM.
this is the
Okay, wait. Right click on GNC and shut down again.
power off.
Yes, power off. Nandkishore,
Yeah.
please restart your laptop and connect again. Okay.
Don't
Restart.
allow this app to make changes to your device.
No problem. Restart your laptop and connect again.
Sure.
Hello, Raminda. You can start recording on your side. Raminda, can you hear me?
Yes, I started. Thank you.
Today we are trying to set up lab, okay, on Nandkishore laptop. Please wait. Hello, Navid.
Good morning.
Morning here. You can start recording
Sure, I'll do that.
side now. We are trying to set up lab on Nandkishore laptop. Okay.
Okay.
Did you download all the tools and software?
I have set up already.
Perfect.
Are you sharing your screen?
Yes, Navid. What?
I can't see your screen.
Actually, Nandkishore is trying to connect. He will share.
Oh.
He will share.
Okay. Okay.
Please wait.
Sure. So we are starting with the lab setup first, yeah?
Yes, dear.
Hello everyone. Yeah, Jito. I
Hello,
have
Nankishore.
restarted. Yeah, I have restarted,
Okay, no
and
problem. Now share your screen.
yeah, I have shared.
Oh,
Yeah, my screen is visible to you.
yes, yes. Please allow my remote control request.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now wait. Uh,
Hello, sir. Can you allow me to record because I was disconnected in the middle?
sure, sure. Rahul,
Yes, yes.
Rahul, now you can start recording. Nankishore, you can start recording on your side. Nankishore, did you get any yes or no option for this
Not yet.
VMware
Not
workstation?
yet. Not yet. I think it's in process.
Can you please select yes option?
Yeah, I mean the screen has
Oh,
been freezed, so yeah.
click on next, accept, next, next, uncheck both option, next, next, stop. Can you please open this key txt file, Ankishore?
Yeah. Which one?
Keys option. Keys. Yes.
Keys, we have word
Notepad
and
file. Notepad file.
Yeah.
Copy any key. Copy any key. And wait. License. Click on license. Paste. Finish. Now close this key txt file. Minimize this folder and open your VMware workstation. Close. Now wait. File open. Guys, we have a file here, GNS3 VM OVA file. You need to select, click on open and import. First, we need to install GNS3, this application. After that, you need to install VMware Workstation and you can define your key. In VMware Workstation, you can open this OVA file. You can add this OVA file and it will take time to import. Next, we have our FortiGate firewall image here.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, that FortiGate firewall image is available on that Google, right?
Sorry.
That FortiGate firewall image is available on that Google Drive for download.
You can go on support.fortinet.com.
Okay, okay, okay.
You can download,
Yeah, yeah.
yes, but this image is available in our Google Drive. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Sorry, I can't find as well in the drive.
No, Daminda, you can open again GNS3 VM setup folder. Okay. I just
I
uploaded it.
tried earlier. Sorry.
Please verify again. Right now. You can verify right now.
I'm checking now.
Oh yes.
Jitendra,
Yes.
the VM, what you call the FortiGate IOS was not there. So then you showed how to download to us.
Okay. Sure. Can you please stop share your screen?
No.
Kishore?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You showed already how to download the VM.
Okay.
FortiGate IOS.
Okay.
That I'm explaining.
Daminda, you can verify the video. Okay. You can download image from support.fortinet.com if you want. Okay, Daminda.
It's a day
Okay,
one
okay.
video. It's a day one video. The first
Okay,
lecture.
I think probably I have missed that one. Okay, so okay. So we have to create an account and then download. That's
Yes.
what you're trying to say.
Yes.
Okay.
Now here, guys, see, once you attach your GNS3 VM, you can click on edit virtual machine. And here, what you can increase RAM. You have 8 GB or 6 GB RAM?
8 GB RAM.
8 GB. So you can give 6 GB approx.
Hello, hello.
Yes.
Actually, on my desktop, I have 32 GB RAM. So I need to send what value of RAM?
You can see minimum RAM you require 8 GB. Okay.
Okay.
Minimum. Now you can see LAN card setting. First LAN card VMNet 1. Second LAN card is VMNet 8. You can click on OK. Now you can power on this virtual machine. It will take time. Let's open our CMD command prompt. Can you please open command prompt? CMD. Type ipconfig. So you have LAN card here, VMNet 1. On VMNet 1, you have 192.168.47. On VMNet 8, you have 192.168.163.1. Okay, wait. Can you please open this command prompt?
Yeah.
Type here ncpa.cpl. Now, guys, you can see VMNet 1 and VMNet 8 LAN card. Okay, VMNet 1, VMNet 8. Wait, 2 minutes. Can you please select Internet Protocol TCP/IP version 4? Properties. Okay, cancel this. Cancel. Now close this network connection tab. Okay, minimize this CMD. Okay, now, guys, you can see you have IP address 192.168.163.128. So now you can minimize this VMware workstation, please. Now open your GNS3 application. Now you can click here, you can click on edit. Wait guys, 2 minutes.
Let it connect to the VM, right?
Yes. Here you wait. Now you can wait. You can click on edit, preferences. Here you have first option, server. You can select the server option. In host binding, if you expand this option, see the LAN card IP address 192.168.63.1.
Yeah.
Same series of IP address you have on your VMware GNS3. GNS3 VM. So you can select this LAN card IP address. You can click on OK. Again, click on edit, preferences. You can click on GNS3 VM, this option. Select this option, GNS, enable GNS3 VM, this option. You can click on OK.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can click on OK. Wait. You can click on. Now you can click on file. You can click on new blank project. You can click on OK. OK. Now you can see the information here. Your GNS3's VM is working right now. You can minimize this. Can you minimize this, Ankishore?
Sure.
Minimize on. Okay, now.
Yeah.
Now here you can click here, guys. You can get all the devices information. Right
Yeah.
now you don't have any FortiGate firewall image. You can click on new template. The first option, you need to select install an appliance from GNS3 server. You can click on next. And which firewall you want to install? So you have multiple options.
Firewall.
Right now we want to install FortiGate firewall. Install the appliance in GNS3 VM. Yes, you can click on next. Click on next. And here's you have some folder here, FortiGate 5.2, 5.2, 5.4, 6.0. First, you need to select this option, allow custom file. Click on yes and create a new version. So you can create your own folder. I'm giving a name, Fortinet firewall 6.4, just example. You can give any name. You can click on OK. Now you can see your directory information. This is your directory, Fortinet firewall 6.4. There are 2 files missing. FortiGate VM64 KVM. Yes, we can upload this, but we required one more file, mpt30z.qcout. So you need to click, not here. You need to click on any image, and if you click this option, you can get a tab for download. So you can download first. You need to have internet. It will download automatically. Done. Now you need to go on. You need to close this, cancel this. Again, click on new template, install an appliance, click on next. Firewall, FortiGate firewall. Install the appliance in GNS3. Again, select this checkbox, and I'm creating a folder. FortiGate firewall 6.3. You can click on OK. So wait. Where is the download folder? Can you please open?
Yeah. Let me.
No. Cancel this. Cancel this option. And wait. Right click on GNS3 VM.
Yeah.
Power. Shut down. Close this GNS3 application also. Nankishore,
Yeah.
GNS3
From the right
application.
corner.
No, not this one. GNS3 application.
Okay.
Yeah, from the right corner.
This one.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, Jitu, it's closed now.
Okay, now please start VMware workstation again. GNS3. GNS3. Daminda, your lab setup is working or not? Are you facing problem? Daminda?
My lab setup is fine. I only think I need your assistance to connect to that particular FortiGate image from my laptop, from my desktop machine. I need some assistance on that at some point.
Okay, let me finish this. Okay, I will help you.
Okay, thank you.
Today, Nankishore, please minimize this application. Now open your GNS3. Wait.
Jitendra, if it's not scanning, we can import also.
Sorry. Okay. Yes, we can try. Navid, we can try.
Yeah.
Nankishore, can you please click on OK? Yes. Now click on Devices tab. Devices.
Devices.
Yes.
Fourth one. Yes, fifth. Click here. Click on
This
yes,
one,
click
right?
on yes, click on new tablet. Now for next firewall. No, expand this firewall. FortiGate firewall. Select FortiGate firewall. Yes. Install next. Okay, now select allow custom file. Yes. Okay. Create a new version. Give any name, firewall. Yes, any name. Okay. Scroll down. Now you can get your. Oh, please wait. Can you please allow my remote control request? Okay, now wait. think we have QCOW25. Can you please open your
Yeah. Let me show. Here in the Mozilla.
we downloaded QCOW25. Yes, this one.
Yeah,
Please
this
wait.
one.
Done.
Now see, the next option is what? This image. We need to upload
Yeah.
this image. So import, and we have an image in our folder. Where is the folder? GNS3 VM setting. Okay, this one.
Yeah, that's one.
And FortiGate firewall image. This 40 US QCOW2 you need to select. Now click on next. First, you need to select this option. Wait. Click on next. Yes. Finish. Now this is your FortiGate firewall. You can drag here. Now you can select your cloud. In your cloud, always select GNS3 VM.
Okay.
Click on OK. Now here you can attach your cable on port number 1. And port number 1 you can connect with Ethernet 0. Ethernet 0 is what? Ethernet 0 is this IP address, guys.
Your PC.
This IP, yes, 192.168.163.
Yeah.
Okay. So you need. Can you please minimize this VMware workstation?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can start your firewall.
Okay.
You can start your firewall and take console. Aminda, are you facing this problem? Firewall and cloud connectivity.
Yes. But in my case, I'm slightly different. I'm not running VMware Workstation. I'm running VMware ES6i.
Oh, okay. It will take time. You can attach some routers here. Okay, Nankishore.
Yeah,
You
sure.
can click on template. Not template. You can click on edit. Preferences. And here is the option iOS router. You can click on new. Run this iOS router in GNS3 VM. You can click on next image. So you have image in your GNS3. Let me open where is the GNS3?
Your file, right? Yeah.
You're on the
That's
same folder. Yeah.
Yes, GNS3 and this image. Click on next. Now see router. So now you can attach router. Nankishore, clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Everyone, clear guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very simple
Clear.
step to set up your lab. First, you need to install GNS3. Then you can install VMware Workstation. Then you need to upload your GNS3 OVF file in. You need to import in VMware Workstation. See the login page. Username is admin. Can you please type here admin username? Password nothing. Enter 123 123.
1, 2, 3.
Enter then 123. Now wait. Let me do this. Config system interface. Edit port number 1. Set mode static set IP address 192.168.255 dot not 255. Let me check.
63.
160. Thank you. Can you please minimize this application? So same series of IP address 163.180, for example, 180/24. Now set allows HTTP, HTTPS, ping, SSH. Now please open any browser, Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. Type here http :/192.168.163.180, I think. Username admin, password 123, login. If you are facing any problem in this browser, so you can use Mozilla Firefox. Okay. Ankishore,
Sure.
clearly your lab setup.
Yeah.
Ankishore, Abhishek, did you download all the tools and software? Abhishek.
Yes, yes, I have downloaded.
So can you use this video and try to set up your lab?
Yes, yes,
If
yes,
you face
yes.
any problem, you can send me screenshot. No problem.
Okay, okay.
Daminda,
Yes.
I don't have idea about EXXI, but if you are trying to set up your lab on VMware, so I can.
Yes. Okay. I'll have a look. That's fine. I think it's all about connect. Shall I share my screen for a second? Then
Sure. Nandkishore, please stop share your screen. Daminda.
Yes. Let me share my screen. Here. Hopefully you can see my screen now.
Yes.
Yeah, this is my setup, like exactly like your one I duplicated. Then life is very simple. Like your R1, R2, and this is the one, and this is the issue at the moment. I can't. I have.
Can you right click on cloud?
Okay.
Can you right click on cloud? Wait, you have one LAN card here. Wait. Ethernet 0, Ethernet 1.
Yeah.
Can you please cancel this? And open your command prompt.
Suck.
Command prompt.
Yeah. I'm opening.
I can't see.
Oh, can see?
ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl.
cpa.cpl.
ncpa. cpa.cpl. ncp.
If you don't mind, shall I give you the remote control? If you don't mind.
Yes, please. Yes, please allow remote control request.
Yes,
Thank
please.
you.
Those are actually I try to implement a VM player. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it's really related to anything.
Can you please open your Genus 3 VM? You are using Genus 3 VM on.
Yeah.
Okay, here. This is EXXI server.
Yeah.
I don't know the LAN card setting here. Oh. Okay, no problem. Can you minimize this? And can you minimize this? Okay. And open your this option. So you are facing with this image problem. Okay, image is working.
Yeah, I can connect all these things. Only thing is connecting from the laptop. I tried few options. I tried to put the same IP as the laptop and connected, like, from your right hand side, you can see this particular GNS3 VM is running at 10.10.10.2. So I created an interface in the Fortinet in that same as 10.10.10.network and try to go through that one. That didn't work for me. Then I try to add an interface.
Through your physical machine.
Yeah.
You can access through your physical machine, but you cannot access. Can you access your Fortinet firewall through graphical?
No, that is what is not working. I can access the GNS3. So GNS3 is 10.10.10.2. That's why I can log in. So here in the FortiGate firewall, I tried few options.
Is it configured?
Okay, let me
Yes.
type this.
Like-
Aminda, please wait 2 minutes. IP config.
Yeah, might be host NIC is not assigned over there.
IP address here 192.168.232.1. Can you please minimize this? 232. And can you configure IP address on this firewall? Wait, let me configure. Config system interface.
Port 1.
Okay, port number 1. Set mode. Okay, wait. Set mode. Set IP address 192.168.232.
Yeah, it was 232.
Dot 185/24 set allows execute ping 192.168.232.
I'm not sure how it can work because because that VM, that particular VM doesn't have interface in like 232 network. Because this 232 network, it's a local network, local one. So this machine, this particular VM doesn't have an interface in that network. I'll have a look. Don't worry too much. Like, I don't want to waste you guys' time. Yeah, because this has like,
no problem.
And because this should be having an interface in that one. If in that one, it can work, because then that's why I was like, I created a new interface as for the laptop, as for this desktop, and then I tried to do that one. That didn't work as well. I'll have a look again. I think of
Okay, Damida, I will share a video. Okay, let me check this. Okay, if I have a video about this, so I can share with you. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Otherwise, if I can't, I will try this one because I'm okay with the rest. Only thing is I can't access from the laptop or from this desktop, but I can do everything in the command line.
Okay.
For the time being. Yeah.
Okay. Naminda, Naveed, Abhishek, Nandkishore, Rahul.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, this is our lab setup. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to do practice this week. Okay. I will not continue today. Try to do practice this week, and from next class we can continue our topic.
Okay.
Guys, we completed our web filtering option.
Yes.
And next class we will discuss about. I'm giving you idea. Next class we will discuss about application control and antivirus profile. Okay, guys.
Sure.
So please try to do practice.
Okay.
Bye, guys, everyone. Take care.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.